90% of the SMSs get read daily. The same applies to WhatsApp messages. Over 90% of them get read as well. Very close connection between SMS and our phones. So today, that's why we're bringing you one of the most robust systems that you're going to see in the internet. And we're giving you absolutely for free. We're giving you for free for the entire month as we start the new year so that you can enjoy, test it, and use it for free. You only need one thing. Just subscribe to our channel and reach out to us, and we are going to give you the subscription for free. Subscribe and then drop us a message via WhatsApp or Telegram or email, and we are going to give you access to this platform for free. It is that simple and straightforward. So, how does it work? It gives you the option of sending SMSs and WhatsApp. So you just need to connect with your Android phone. You add device here. You download this app from your phone, and then you scan this QR code, and then you'll be connected to the device. I have done a comprehensive video on how the entire platform. I'll pin it in the video so that you can see how it works entirely. But for now, we just want to give you this for free. Just subscribe and then send us a message, and then we'll update your subscription. You will update your activate your sign up for free so that you can use it 30 days for free. Value worth over $100. We're giving it for free. So that's all we had for you for now. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. Don't forget to subscribe and share. That's all we had for you. Thank you.